industry leaders and our partners here, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This year, we are proud to see a record high participation with 38 companies now participating, but more importantly, 20 companies participating in the Electronics and Semiconductor Career Fair that is jointly organized with ETY, and there are over 1,000 job vacancies.
Singapore is a critical node in the global semiconductor supply chain. We produce around 1 in 10 of the world's chips and 1/5 of the global semiconductor equipment. So I'm just happy that we'll be witnessing the signing of the MOUs between ITE and key industry partners today as they come on board as employer partners for the work-study program, SSIA's Semiconductor Active Youth SAY program, where educators, industry mentors, and employers work hand in hand to guide selected undergraduate students. These students have the opportunities to work on projects in real-world environments and be mentored by industry practitioners. So well done to all the students.
There is no simple, single, predetermined path into the semiconductor sector. Some individuals will start as beginning with technicians, others start in engineering support. I started as an intern, and some work through work studies, just like me. The industry has important responsibility to support and nurture talents. We work closely with education partners such as ITE to develop sustainable talent pipelines that supports both present and future needs. And with that, I thank you and I wish everyone a meaningful